How to create community group in WhatsApp Business. Now you know that you can create a community group from the normal WhatsApp app, which is for personal use. But what about the WhatsApp application that is for business, right? So here, if I open up WhatsApp Business, tap on the settings or the gear icon from the bottom right, then here you can find the option that says communities. Just tap on communities. Here you can see I have the option to join a community, but there isn't an option to create a community. Now if I go to this see example communities from here, and if I scroll down to this article from WhatsApp that says create a community, you can see a little note that they say over here is that you can't currently create a community on the WhatsApp Business app. So unfortunately, currently it is not possible to create a community group on the WhatsApp Business application. You have to use the normal WhatsApp app for that, and then only you'll be able to create the community. In case in the future WhatsApp might release an update that will allow us to create a community, then until then I'll also make sure to update you about it. But until then, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.